Naka night market what is open only in Phuket town. This is the biggest market, night market, weekend market in Phuket town, and it's open only on Saturday and Sunday. So let's check this out. Let's get inside, guys. What I'm gonna tell you is actually pretty big and looks pretty cool because you have a section with the food, but difference to the Bangkok ones is this: the loud music is going on and there should be even live performance. There's like a food court where you can eat. And so much is going on actually over here, so many tourists everywhere around. Definitely I'm not able to cover all of the market, however I'm gonna cover at least one of the streets in the raw material without special editing. Here is the kebab, which is very different. You're never gonna find something like this in Bangkok. Well, this is like alley, they cooking. This is like aloe vera. Actually, this is good for my sunburn yesterday. Soft drinks, sweet things. This is like a wafer. This one actually looks nice. Nutella. So much is going on. They're closing in 1 hour, but there's actually so many people everywhere around. Watermelon juice for 20 baht only. Fruits. Maybe this is not the best alley. This is like a very nice food over here. Spring rolls for 15 bahts only. Fruits. A lot of fruits. What's going on here? Why so many people actually waiting? Not sure. Coconut water and coconut. Another fruit juice for 30 baht. Actually seems pretty alright with prices. Oh, this is something very nice. Some sort of barbecue. The steaks. Check this out. The ribs, and this is the steaks. And I think there was the tomahawk over here. Unbelievable. That's something totally new and looks so cool. Another live band, I can already hear the loud music. They cooking here steamed fish balls, 30, 40, 50 baht portions. That's gonna be a pad thai or some sort of another things. Fruit juices, like this one. And of course seafood. Oh, another something. Fruit, and seems like there is market connected with the party because there is the live band. Street food sushi, but however not really recommended, I think, because I'm not sure about the, bata. Looks pretty nice indeed, right? This is how they are rolling. No shortage of the beverages. You can find almost everything what is in Thailand available over here. There is some sort of nice pineapples. I wanna have a look. Pineapples for 45 and pomelos. And this is papaya. What he's cutting is the jackfruit over there. And there's a watermelon and some other. This is the mango Thailand. The band, actually kids playing, is so loud over there. But there are also like a bars, like a food truck, but with the bartender, and you can have a cocktail or something like this. This is like something what I can only see in Thailand, guys. Unbelievable. This night market you can find even the sweet stuff, like a donuts. I don't know what is this one, but over there there are actually cakes. I need to get closer to it. The cakes from the night market, like a cheesecake, chocolate cake, any kind of cakes. What you can see over here is totally something very, very new for me. Check this out, blueberry cheesecake. Looks very, very nice and very tempting. That's something very, very new for me. On the other side of course merchandises and any other stuff. There must be also clothes probably. However, I'm more interested about filming the food. Well, this is very interesting. I see again the steaks and something. This is something very extremely unusual. So, and well, cakes again. There's a lot of interesting stuff over here, and then of course backpacks, some satais, actually a lot of satais. That's only for 10 bahts, and juices. Hello. So very interesting, and this guy looks very interesting outfit, that's for sure. So everything what you see right now over there is the food section, but here you have something like anywhere else, the phone accessories or Louis V bags or Rolex. The small Rolex like this one, of course the fake one, or the big one for the war, and the Louis V bag and many other accessories, clothes, everything. People eating on the one side, looking for the food. So very interesting market, that's for sure. Actually pretty cool, right? For everyone who looking for enjoying the markets, I think you have to have a look. And this is also very interesting. Check this out. Okay, here you can buy the cactus, obviously, but this is the cannabis station. So you can buy also so many very interesting stuff over here, and that's the prices in case if you are interested. This is of course all new and legal stuff now. Now is the section with the dresses, of course, for ladies. I like it with so much light over here actually, so it's so easy for me to film it in the good quality. There's some local products and the clothes, and the market is going and going and going and going and going. Okay, I'm gonna have a quickly look deep inside. Of course you can buy some t-shirts, toys for the kids, of course, stuff like this one. And this is like a never-ending market. But with the difference, as there's so many tourists, international tourists here in this market, to comparing to the markets in Bangkok. I think it's similar stuff, probably the same stuff, it's just a little bit different configuration. Well, it's so hard to which way I should go. It's like so much stuff everywhere around, and you can buy whatever you wish. Also over here there are some very nice looking merchandises. Hello! Very nice looking merchandises everywhere around. If you are looking to buy something like this one, this is definitely a great place. Also deep inside there are actually statues and the paintings or something like this one. So much to choose from. Even this one for the beer if you want. 10 coffee bar. This is the last position on my list. I'm gonna have a coffee and I'm gonna go home, I think so. He have a nice coffee, I hope so. Actually, the coffee in Thailand almost everywhere is pretty nice. On today's video I show you as you can enjoy Phuket, you can enjoy Thailand however you like. You can find everything: party, peaceful beach, markets, beach clubs, fancy restaurants, or the street food. Everything is in Thailand, but as the bonus, the prices are very affordable and the roads are actually pretty nice, like for Asian standard. I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya, take care.